Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use the new text-based social app Instagram Threads. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. Here you will see the new update, Threads. Tap on it. Then tap on Get Threads. Now tap on the Install button to get the app. Then open the app. You will be prompted to sign in using your existing Instagram account. You can set up your Threads profile with your name, profile picture and bio. You can also import your profile data from your Instagram page. Then tap Continue. Now you can choose whether you want your Threads profile to be public so anyone can see, or private so only your followers can see your posts. Then tap Continue. Threads will suggest you to follow the same accounts you already follow on Instagram. You can tap Follow beside the names of the users you would like to follow on Threads. And if you want to follow all the people you already follow on Instagram, tap Follow All. Then tap Join Threads. Now that you are ready to start using Threads, you will be taken to the home feed. Here you will see posts and replies by accounts you follow. If you see a post you like, you can tap the heart icon to like it, just like you would on Instagram. Tap the message bubble to add a reply to a thread. To repost a thread, tap the circle of arrows. You can repost a thread as is, or quote it to get the option to attach your own comment before reposting. If you tap the share icon, you can add a thread to your Instagram story, share it on Twitter, copy a link to the post, or share it in a text message or to another messaging or social media app. If you tap the search button in the menu at the bottom, you will be taken to the Threads search page, where you can search for people you want to follow, or topics you would like to see threads about. If you find a profile you want to check out, you can tap their name to go to their page. Here you can follow the account. Check are their posted threads and replies. If you would like to be notified when this account posts a new thread, tap the bell icon in the top right corner. To share a Threads post, tap the new post icon in the bottom menu. Now you can type in what you would like to say. You can also tap the paperclip icon to attach photos or videos from your camera roll. If you would like to limit who can reply to your thread, tap Anyone can reply. Then choose whether you want replies to be open to anybody, or only people you follow, or only accounts you would have tagged in your thread. When you are ready to share your thread, tap Post. The thread has been posted. Go to your profile. You can easily share your new thread to your Instagram story for people to see there. If someone views your story on Instagram, they can tap the thread to be taken to your post in the Threads app. Tap the heart icon in the bottom menu to view your Threads notifications, including likes, replies, mentions, and new followers. Tap the profile icon to check out your personal Threads page, where you will see your bio information, posted threads and replies. You can easily edit your profile here by tapping the Edit Profile button, just like on Instagram. So these are all the things you need to know about using the new Instagram Threads app. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.